The 2021 Muskogee shooting was a mass murder that occurred on February 2, 2021, when a gunman opened fire at a home in Muskogee, Oklahoma, United States. The shooter killed 6 people, including 5 children, and 1 woman was seriously injured. Law enforcement responded to the residence at 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. The suspect was taken into custody after a shot-foot pursuit. But a motive is yet undetermined and no other suspects are involved. Officers responded to the home that Javarian Lee and his family lived in around 1:30 a.m. to reports of a shooting, and encountered an armed individual at the house. The deceased were Javarian Lee, aged 24 years old, and his 5 children aged between 1 and 9 years old. The deceased were the brother and nieces and nephews of the shooter. The mother of the children suffered serious injuries and was airlifted to a local hospital. 3 other children that were in the home during the shooting were uninjured. The accused shooter was identified by law enforcement as Jaron Diahon Pridgeon, aged 25 years old, who lived occasionally with Lee and his family. Pridgeon was previously charged with assault and battery in 2019 after he threw concrete at a woman. He pled guilty and was placed on probation for 3 years. He was also ordered to undergo an evaluation by a state mental health expert to identify a potential cause for his actions. Grief counseling was provided for students of local schools that some of the deceased children had attended, along for officers who responded to the scene. Mayor Marlon Coleman announced that he would sign a proclamation to establish March as Community Care Month for first responders, shortly after the shooting. Local clergy groups led the effort to establish a monetary fund to help support the mothers of the victims, and are aided by the mayor's office. This crime-related article is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it. This Oklahoma-related article is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.